Hey guys, I have a surprise for you guys. If you know this, if you know this, if you know this is Coca-Cola new biscuit. It's called what? It's called plasma. How am I going to do this thing for you guys to see it? See upside down? Okay. At this moment, I'm battling with this label. Anyways, guys, it's plasma biscuit. Plasma Coca-Cola biscuit, new biscuit. So I decided to get mine and try it and give you guys feedback. You know me. I always like to give you guys the full gist. Okay? All right, let's open it. Let's unbox it, guys. Unbox it. Me, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. You can see it. Finally, guys. I'm going to eat Coca-Cola biscuits. Good. I'm so excited. Oh my god, guys. This is beautiful. This is so damn good. Oh my god. It's the red for me. It's the packaging for me. It's the red color for me. Okay, guys. Okay, let's remove it. Yeah. Guys. Okay, guys. So this is it, guys. I love the packaging, guys. This is so beautiful. This is damn beautiful. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. Oh my god. Oh, this is unique. The definition of unique. This is it. Okay, so let's try it. Yeah, this is how it look like, guys. Like literally, this is how it look like. So let's eat. Mind you, guys, this is not a paid advert. It's not paid promotion. This is just real, unfiltered reality. I'm showing you guys now. Nothing but the truth, guys. Oh my god. Guys, try it. Just try it. Try it, guys. This is so damn good. It's not too sweet. It's not like it's just perfect. This is delicious, guys. If you are a biscuit lover, I bet you to try this and you will not regret it. Come back for feedback. If you try this, come back